Hey guys, this is Tony again from Included Creations. I got a bunch of projects I'm going to be working on coming up. I want to do some videos as the progress keeps going. This is a cart that I picked up for little or nothing. I was going to chop it up and use it for parts, but I have two little great nephews that are 5 years old each, and I got them into racing go-karts. And there's one over here, and I have another one over there, and they haven't gotten used to driving these yet. So I decided all I'll do is I'm gonna chop this one down, bring the steering wheel way back, pedals way back, and set it up so they can drive this and have their father sit with them, as is a two-seater, and maybe they can get used to it and comfortable with their dads around. They're a little nervous still with the motors and the sound, so. But this is one of my projects here. I'm going to post a few more videos of how it's coming along. And there's an axle here for another project, which is down here. It's a little wheelbarrow. It's going to be a little T-bucket roadster for my third little great nephew, who's just turning 3. It's going to have a 3-horse motor on it, and that's in the works. The frame's here against the wall. I've been slowly working on that. Like I said, a lot of projects going on around here. Drift trike, just about done with that. I'm going to hook up the hydraulic brake line on that. I was short one, about 6 inches. So that's my drift trike. I'm actually building it for the Shriners. If they like it, I'm going to do 3 more. So, anyways, like I said, I watch a lot of these YouTube videos myself. I watched a man build a little rat rod go-kart for his grandson. He posted lots of videos on that, little short ones. It was nice. I enjoy them. So I'm going to try this, post more on here, and we'll hopefully get it all done before racing season starts. This guy, I got to mount the body on this one, and build a roll cage for it. They require roll cages for kid karts around here now. So, but that's that, guys. You know, if you like it, like it. Any comments, any questions, any ideas, shoot me one. But until then, we'll post another one later. Thanks, guys.